Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Airbnb app not working in 2023. To start this tutorial, open your App Store in your iOS device. In the search bar, search for Airbnb. Now wait for the application to load. Once the search appears, you will now see Airbnb. In here, make sure it says open and not update. This goes to show that your Airbnb is up to date. Once done, close your App Store. This time, go over and open your settings application in your mobile device. This one over here with the gear icon. Once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Then tap on General this time. Over at General, you're going to go to iPhone Storage. In here, you can scroll down or use the search bar to look for Airbnb. Just tap on it. And then this time, click on Offload App. Once you are done uploading the app, you can now reopen Airbnb. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this walkthrough tutorial. And make sure you leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel, and while you're at it, leave a comment as well.